Taranipan suba Lok Sabha mikhal gi ahanba tangkak ki bot thadagadouriba sida pamdaba thoudok thok-handana isa-isagi hak sijin-naduna bot thadabiyu haina Imphal East Dsitrict ki DC Khumanthem Diana district asigi miyamda appeal touri. Ngasi SKTV news ka akhanana unabada Khumanthem Diana hai Imphal East District ki manungsana leiriba polling station sing asida presiding officer na lusingba polling officer ahum yauba miyoi marina saba team amama mathau tawgani. Security force amadi polling personnel sing yauna punna miyoi lising mangaga satret henbana district asigi polling station sing da mathau tawgani haina phongdorokni.
I know that Imphal East District ki DC ki office manungdadi khoi DC Madam Khumanthem Diana wari sarakanda hayeng thok-handana ahanba phase ki khoi 18 Lok Sabha ki damakta preparation ki matangda wari sabi tanda adu lawjage Madam hayeng ki damakta haitare Imphal East District ki oina tongan polling station singda chatna bugi damakta disperse tawri singse punna polling personnel kya marum no security force ki machine kya muno du khudong thiba thokpa yaba vulnerable oiba polling station machine kya no thambiyo madam
Imphal East District ki oina punna handaki 18th Lok Sabha election asida koina set up thoudariba polling station sing asidi punna 432 aduga 9 special polling stations amaga aduna punna 441 polling stations singni hariba sida koigi presiding officer na lead tawraga polling officer ahum amaga koigi polling team comprising of 4 member each na polling duty tawgani duga hariba polling station security gi damakta koigi adequate state police personnel ama DCAPF singsu deploy tawzari ona punna koina manpower da koina just poll duty gi polling station like the duty da we have koina deploy tawris above 5700 personnel ni punna both civil and security together sigi mathakta over and above this we have a lot of standby like striking reserve adigi journal commanders from police side mayama adequate measures, and we have also taken help from Indian Army adigi loina CAPF forces na chingba adequate oina koigi elaborate security plan ama semjaraga koigi yam peaceful oiba poll oina ba haina sem saba loisare
special polling station singse asi karam afam singa thambi no mapan ni haibani Imphal asi karam relief camp or shelter home thambi gadoi madam
akoigi punna relief camp hozik kunma thoi leiba sigi damakta akoi special polling stations mapan hangjabani hariba si koi inner gi damakta manga thammi duga moina Urup Higher Secondary School Biramangol College the community health center nongada temporary shelter home sajiwa gi kitchen number 4 da ama oigani duga yambem girls hostel yambem asida manga ama inner gi oina set up tawbuni hariba polling station manga sing asida inner Manipur parliamentary constituency da chanba voters sing internally displaced voters sing both thadagani duga outer gi su kayamarum outer Manipur parliamentary constituency da gi su akoi gi Imphal East District relief camp sing da voters sing adum leibiribana moi gi damakta akhanana mari ma hangjari si sing sidi nilet akampat dagi CC Higher Secondary School temporary shelter home Sombungi kitchen number 4 duga Urup Higher Secondary School da outer gi voter gi damakta same saba loisare
koigi hayeng pangthok election asida peace oina free and fair pangthok bagi damakta miyamda kari paujil pibiding bagi
ai hakna haijaning badi maroina ngasidi dispersal numit ta banina koigi polling team da su ai koi district election officer gi maikei dagi best wishes pizari aduga koigi maroina voters sing da dagi koi Imphal East ki praja sing da su election asi am peacefully smoothly conduct tawraga koigi apaba magi right to vote exercise thadabiyu haina haijaning
thank you madam